Every small business owner has the same problems. We have the solutions. Messy, disorganized books? We keep your books clean, accurate, and current every single month. You always know exactly where every dollar is going. Payroll stress and compliance worries? We handle your payroll completely. Every employee paid correctly and on time every single pay period. Powered by ADP, tax season panic and overpaying the IRS? We plan and prepare your taxes all year round. Every deduction found, every deadline met. Zero surprises, zero panic, no financial clarity, making decisions based on guesses. We give you real, accurate numbers every month, so every decision is confident, every move is strategic, and your business grows from strength, not fear. This is what reliable accounting and tax services delivers for every single client. Every day, all year round. One team, 4 services, zero financial stress. You built something worth protecting. Let us help you protect it and grow it. Link in bio. Book your consultation today.